come to Dubai. You say that money cannot buy happiness? Habibi, come to Dubai. Habibi, come to Dubai.
This is Dubai. It's bigger, it's grander, it's impressive. It really is about some stunning, stunning imagery. We're going to now explore that, the Museum of the Future. And then later, we're going to check out some incredible, incredible products innovating the tech space from Huawei.
Habibi, come to Dubai.
Dubai, this is what it's all about. It's grand, it's huge, it's on another level.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Huawei innovative product launch in Dubai. Fashion never stops.
Welcome a new member to our audio portfolio, HUAWEI FreeClip. It brings innovation to the next level with C-bridge design.
The creation of beauty is a fundamental human instinct. Huawei MatePad lets anyone create anywhere, anytime.
Today, we are very excited to launch the HUAWEI MatePad Pro 13.2 inch. It possesses the highest screen-to-body ratio and an industry-first, large-size flexible OLED display.
HUAWEI MatePad Pro 13.2 inches is literally a portable digital studio that allows me to capture the beauty that surrounds me.
Go paint! The worldwide creating activity is coming soon. We bring the unique PaperMatte display to the HUAWEI MatePad Air, the all-new high-performance, lightweight laptop HUAWEI MateBook D 16.
Let's join hands and move forward to a brighter future together.